Hi, welcome to this playlist on all the propositions done by Euclid in his book Elements. This is prepared by Mathcraft US. As an introduction, Euclid had written this book roughly in 300 BC, and it is a most logical book ever written up to that period in history. It is used as a textbook till today. It was very prominent till the mid 20th century. Euclid worked in the Great Library of Alexandria, which is off the coast of the Mediterranean Sea in Egypt. He's been a master in logic. He builds from the first principles. And the readers of this book have been Einstein, Abraham Lincoln, Isaac Newton, Spinoza, and many, many others. On the right, you see actually a hardcover by the Green Lion Press. It's available on Amazon for roughly $25. And the illustration which you see is actually a painting by Raphael, which is probably a mural in the Vatican City. It depicts the school of Athens. It has Plato, Socrates, and here you see Euclid using his compass and a student onlooking. This is the edition we'll be going through. It's beautifully done. What does the book Elements contain? It's essentially a composition of 13 books. For instance, I think the book 1, 2, and 3 are fairly short compared to some of the other books, which contain over 100 propositions. In total, there are 465 propositions. Propositions meaning theorems, essentially. There are 131 definitions, 5 postulates, and 5 common notions. At the start of the book 1, he lays out roughly 23 definitions, 5 common notions, and a few postulates there itself. So most of the non-proposition material gets covered in the first book itself. And as and when it's required, he adds in more definitions and common notions as we go through 13 books. The topics covered in the book Elements is mostly plane geometry, today which we call Euclidean geometry. It has number theory, conics, and solid geometry also. The proofs are very rigorous. It's probably the first time a book was written with such rigorous proofs. So mathematicians consider this book as the first book of proofs in a way. As I was saying, things are built up from first principle. In fact, the first line in the book 1 is about a point. It is something which does not have any width. So it starts at such a bare position. The beautiful logic which gets built up is only done by using a straight edge, a ruler, but not measuring the ruler in centimeters or inches, and a compass. So just a straight edge and a compass is used to build up all those 465 propositions. It's beautifully done. In fact, even for things like prime numbers and highest common factors, greatest common divisor, what we call least common multiple, etc., are done using straight edges and only compass. On the right side, actually, you see a 1700 translation in Sanskrit. This was the first translation of Elements into Sanskrit. So that's it. This series of videos, this playlist will contain at least 466 videos, including this playlist. There could be more. It'll take probably some years to get through all these, given other endeavors which we are indulging in at Mathcraft. Thank you.